Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of global wealth, a $500 million private island fortress of pure architectural dominance and supreme luxury. 85,000 square feet of extreme architectural supremacy, completely isolated from the world within your own private tropical billionaire estate sanctuary.
Step inside the world's most exclusive foyer, where liquid rose gold meets flawless pearlescent white onyx.
This massive, sweeping corridor defines modern royal elegance with its majestic curves and shimmering gold accents.
Experience total architectural supremacy in this colossal living lounge, designed for the world's elite billionaire class. Behold the Master Show Kitchen, a $500 million masterpiece of high-tech functionality and style.
Dine in absolute royalty, surrounded by liquid rose gold walls and breathtaking views of your private estate.
Command global empires from this executive office, where Zaha Hadid's fluid design meets ultimate professional power. The primary master bedroom is a serene sanctuary of pearlescent onyx, offering unmatched luxury and tranquility.
Indulge in a spa-like master ensuite featuring deep sapphire blue accents and book-matched Calacatta marble floors.
This sculptural floating staircase is a gravity-defying work of art, carved from the world's finest white marble.
Luxury knows no rounds in the secondary master bedroom, perfectly blending royal comfort with modern design.
Enter the audiophile's dream room, with acoustic rose gold panels and sound systems that redefine pure sonic luxury. Experience ultimate peace of mind in this high-tech security lobby, featuring reinforced sapphire glass and sleek onyx. Glide across a transparent glass walkway over a tranquil koi pond surrounded by lush, indoor tropical botanical gardens. The dual master walk-in closet is a haute couture temple with backlit sapphire shelves and liquid gold accents.
This elegant guest suite offers 5-star hospitality with plush onyx textures and breathtaking views of the estate.
Watch the spaces blend seamlessly through massive glass partitions, showcasing the fluid Zaha Hadid design and golden glow. This haute couture closet is a billionaire's paradise, with backlit sapphire shelves and refined liquid rose gold rods. Swim in pure luxury within this enclosed pool lounge, where sapphire blue water reflects against refined liquid gold ceilings. Treat your VIP guests to ultimate royalty in this suite, featuring a massive rose gold bed and onyx walls.
Improve your swing in this professional golf simulator room, surrounded by onyx walls and refined rose gold finishes.
The upstairs family lounge is a masterpiece of comfort, blending warm golden lighting with plush sapphire blue seating. Even the service corridors maintain a royal standard, with flawless white onyx walls and refined architectural rose gold lighting. Compete in style within this massive entertainment hall, featuring bespoke sapphire blue billiards tables and refined golden accents.
Relax under the stars in this skylit terrace lounge, where refined liquid gold and onyx meet the night sky. Treat your VIP guests to ultimate royalty in this suite, featuring a massive rose gold bed and onyx walls.
Start your morning at this artisanal coffee bar, featuring a white onyx counter and refined liquid rose gold detailing.
The dual master walk-in closet is a haute couture temple with backlit sapphire shelves and liquid gold accents.
This elegant guest suite offers 5-star hospitality with plush onyx textures and breathtaking views of the estate.
Enjoy your mornings in this sun-drenched breakfast nook, featuring a circular white onyx table and refined sapphire accents.
Experience the ultimate immersive cinema, featuring plush sapphire blue velvet seating and a shimmering golden starlit ceiling.
Gather around the linear fire feature, perfectly integrated into a white onyx base with refined rose gold accents. Find ultimate serenity in this private treatment room, where refined gold lighting meets sapphire blue spa luxury.
Immerse yourself in this climate-controlled botanical biosphere, featuring a majestic white onyx waterfall and lush tropical flora. Every guest bathroom is an architectural masterpiece, blending sapphire blue mosaics with refined, burnished liquid rose gold trim. Monitor your entire private ocean atoll from this high-tech security center, encased in natural onyx and liquid gold.
Enter the interior car gallery through massive sapphire glass walls, a $500 million automotive temple of gold.
Even the mudroom is a royal experience, featuring custom white onyx lockers and refined, burnished liquid rose gold handles.
Witness the absolute scale of your estate from this upper floor overlook, showcasing Zaha Hadid's architectural genius.
This multi-level climate-controlled vault is a wine connoisseur's dream, encased in sapphire glass and refined gold. Train for greatness in this professional home gym, featuring refined rose gold equipment and pristine onyx walls. Experience the moody cinematic glow of this master corridor, where warm golden lighting reflects off every onyx surface. Even the smallest spaces radiate royalty, featuring book-matched Calacatta marble and exquisite burnished gold designer fixtures.
The hidden prep kitchen is a high-tech marvel, featuring professional-grade appliances and flawless natural onyx surfaces.
Achieve total inner peace in this serene yoga sanctuary, designed with minimal white marble and tranquil sapphire blue.
Host intimate gatherings in this extended dining lounge, featuring a stunning white onyx table and sapphire velvet seating. House your daily exotic car collection in this pristine luxury garage, featuring high-gloss marble floors and golden light tracks. Sample the world's finest vintages in this exclusive wine tasting lounge, situated directly beside your massive glass vault. This secondary staircase blends flawless white onyx steps with a sleek, burnished rose gold handrail for elegant circulation.
The butler's pantry is an organizing masterpiece, featuring white onyx cabinetry and refined, burnished rose gold hardware.
Escape into a world of literature in this quiet reading lounge, centered around a stunning white onyx fireplace.
Walk through this dynamic entry hallway, where flowing white onyx walls are accented by striking sapphire blue strips.
Even the utility spaces are a masterclass in extreme luxury, detailed with flawless natural onyx and refined rose gold handles.
Relax in the casual media room, framed in refined liquid rose gold and ultra-soft sapphire blue plush carpets. The service kitchen extension boasts macro-detailed onyx backsplashes and refined, burnished liquid rose gold fixtures.
Ascend through your estate in a transparent glass elevator, framed completely in refined, burnished liquid rose gold.
Even the staff quarters provide extreme five-star luxury, with detailed marble tiles and refined rose gold fixtures. This luxury laundry room redefines chores with stunning sapphire blue cabinetry and refined, burnished rose gold appliances.
Relax on the poolside interior deck, featuring textured onyx tiles and refined, burnished liquid rose gold ceilings. Detoxify in this ultra-premium steam room, featuring highly textured stone tiles and refined, burnished gold steam vents.
Unwind in the indoor relaxation pavilion, surrounded by natural onyx and soothing sapphire blue elements.